All right, you guys, and welcome back to Bassinet Fishing. My name is Aaron. Today we're going to be fishing a couple of these local lakes. I don't have a whole lot of time before I got to go back into work, but I'm going to go ahead and give you the rundown of what I'm throwing. Over here on my Mock Pro, I'm going to be throwing a white and chartreuse chatterbait. And over here on my Mock Smash Rod, I'm going to be throwing a 1/5 ounce Ned jig head with a green pumpkin goby Z-Man elastic bait. I'm going to try to pull a couple of these out in a little short period of time that we have. So let me get to work here, guys. Let's see what we can come up with. Took it. Oh, flung it out of his mouth. Come on. Come on now. That ain't cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna cast out this green pumpkin goby Ned rig. See what we can come up with. And what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna be casting it out there. Let it sink to the bottom. A lot of times they'll grab it on the fall. If they don't, that's okay. It happens. I feel like this is gonna be the cast right here. I got it out there. They usually hit it out there towards that island, as you guys see out there. We call it Goose Island. Seems like the bass are a little deterred from this bank a lot of the times, and the bigger ones seem to hang out there by that island. Got one. Oh, he grabbed that thing like a Mack truck, boy. And he let go. Did he? No, he's still on there. Not very big. He must have been caught up in a tree or something down there. All right, first fish of the day. Look at that. On the Ned rig. That's that green pumpkin goby I was telling you guys about. It's kind of got like a, definitely has the green pumpkin look, but what it has is some purple flakes in it. All right, come on. There you go. Yeah, not bad. A lot of these look like post-spawn bass. I mean, their bellies are kind of gone, but beautiful fish. All right, we're gonna get him back in there and we're gonna try to catch a couple more. He hit that thing hard. And what I was doing, guys, is I was just bouncing it back from the island, and he ended up grabbing it by some structure or something and got hung up for a second. I thought he was gonna be a lot bigger than that, the way it pulled. But hey, not bad, we'll take it. Let's continue. Just broke the ice a second ago. Literally the last cast I took. I just got here, hasn't been long before something grabbed that thing. And if you guys aren't subscribed already to Bassinet Fishing, please hit the subscribe button. Please like. I'll do the same for you guys. We're all out here grinding, trying to catch fish. It's a hustle. But I definitely appreciate everybody's feedback. And I love watching your guys' videos too. So when you guys subscribe to me, don't think that I just take your subscribe, don't check out your page. No, I don't. I look at it. Here's one. Oh, missed him. I go on there and I see everybody's comments. I see everybody's subscriptions. And I definitely subscribe back to you guys. Got one right at the bank. Here we go. Off the green pumpkin goby. Not bad. And just like the other one there, you guys, he's got to be like, he's maybe a pound. Not very big, but they're out here. Got one. Oh my God. Come on, dude. Come on. Oh. Got one. Ooh. Come on. Done lost 2 back-to-back casts. He's tangled up on the side or something. There we go. Yeah, he's not bad. Had one hit it, let go, and he picked it up. Chatterbait. All right, you guys, and thank you for watching Bassinet Fishing. That's going to conclude today. It's been a good day. I didn't have a whole lot of time, but we definitely caught a couple off of the green pumpkin goby, and we also caught a couple off of the white and chartreuse chatterbait. I got to get into work. I definitely got some more videos coming for you guys. I'm off a couple days next week, and we're going to go to a couple new spots. Thank y'all for checking me out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, guys.